Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only Nvidia. As of today, after hours, Nvidia popped up 25%. One of the largest moves the company has ever seen in a single day. So we're going to be talking about pretty much everything that is going on with this company and answering that main question of should you buy Nvidia. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe, because it really means a lot to me. So guys, let's dive into this one. Alright, so for those of you that don't know what Nvidia is a company that is heavily invested into all things technology. They've been investing a ton into AI or artificial intelligence, software, and where they make a bunch of money is off pretty much graphics cards and computer parts. Now, as of this year, we've seen a ton of growth from Nvidia just because of the overall rise right now of AI and artificial intelligence. We've seen companies like ChatGPT be the fastest online community to hit 100 million users, outpacing Facebook, Instagram, and some of the largest platforms ever. ChatGPT beat every single one, so there is a huge demand for AI. Now, with that being said, the company came out today after hours and gave their earnings. Their earnings is pretty much all the things that all the nerds care about, like myself. It's the revenue, it's the, the margin, it's pretty much all things that's going on with the company and some of the things they need to improve on. And they blew away expectations. They beat the revenue by 10%. Beating the revenue by 10% does not happen every single day. It does not happen, to every single stock. This is a very rare occurrence, especially for a massive company like Nvidia. Guys, they were expected to bring in about $6 billion, which seems like a lot of money. And they brought in about over $7 billion, causing investors to jump into this because everybody wants to try to find that next Tesla, that next Apple, that next Google. And when you have statements like this could be a clarification that this company is going to be one of the next greatest. Also, the CEO came out and pretty much stated that, in the past quarter, we've seen a surging demand for AI, which is pretty much what Nvidia has been investing billions of dollars into. Now, yes, the company has done a lot of great things, but looking at some of the fundamentals, it's still shaky, right? We see a great revenue increase on that, on that beautiful beat earnings, but some of the things like diluted EPS, net profit margin are down right now. Now, does that mean you should sell the stock? Does that mean you should buy the stock? So for me, I'm heavily invested into Nvidia. I think Nvidia carries so much long-term potential. I think they're going to be one of the front runners of technology, of software, of AI, just because of the growth we've seen and the representation that they've had over the past couple of years has been off the chart. So now to answer that question of should you buy Nvidia, because that's why everybody has clicked on this video. So for me, yes, I'm investing into Nvidia. I'm keeping it under 5% of my portfolio. 5% is that sweet spot because I still have shares to make a lot of money off it. But on the flip side, I'm not heavily invested where if this thing goes to zero, I'm out, a lot of money. I think it's that good sweet spot. Dollar cost averaging, like always, using M1 Finance is the best strategy because then you can just be very consistent. You can set it as 5% and you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to manage it. It's the best approach for, diversifying into these higher growth, higher risk stocks like Nvidia is. Nvidia is not going to be like your average stock. It's not going to be like your Apple or, your S&P 500 ETF. It's not going to be something that grows steadily. This company is going to be going up and down and it's going to have volatility, but also it's going to have opportunity. Often these higher risk stocks carry a lot more reward. So to answer that question of should you buy Nvidia, I am. I really believe Nvidia carries a ton of long-term potential, but this is just my opinion. Also, the average analyst is giving this thing a rating of a buy, not sell or hold, but to buy. And some profit targets are near and around $400. So for the stock being $380, we still have $20 of wiggle room. So guys, this is what's going on in answering that question of should you buy it. I'm super excited to see where this company goes, and I'm going to be tagging along for the ride. So guys, obviously, this is just all my opinion, so do your research before you guys invest. I just see it as a massive opportunity. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.